Diamonds are not found sparkling and polished as we see them in jewelry stores. In nature, diamonds are hidden inside rough rocks, often covered with a dull surface that gives no hint of the beauty within. The journey from a rough diamond trapped in rock to a brilliant gemstone is a fascinating process that combines science, skill, and precision. Diamonds are formed deep inside the Earth's mantle under extreme heat and pressure of billions of years. Volcanic eruptions carry them closer to the surface inside rocks known as kimberlite or lamproite. These rocks are then mined, crushed, and carefully examined to locate rough diamonds. Separating diamonds from rocks. Once diamond-bearing rocks are extracted, they go through several stages of processing. The rocks are crushed into smaller pieces, and advanced techniques such as X-ray sorting and density separation are used. Diamonds have unique properties such as high density and the ability to glow under X-rays, which makes them easier to separate from ordinary stones. Studying the rough diamond. Before cutting begins, experts carefully study each rough diamond. They analyze its shape, size, internal inclusions, and natural flaws. This step is critical because one wrong cut can significantly reduce the diamond's value. Modern diamond cutters often use 3D scanning technology to plan the perfect cut with minimal loss. Cutting diamonds from rock. The cutting process starts by removing the diamond from any remaining rock material. After extraction, the rough diamond is cleaved or sawn using laser or diamond-tipped tools. The goal is to reveal the best possible shape while preserving as much weight as possible. Precision and experience play a major role at this stage. Shaping and polishing. After the initial cuts, the diamond is shaped into its final form, such as round, princess, or emerald cut. Polishing is done using diamond powder, as only diamond can cut diamond. This step gives the gemstone its famous brilliance and fire. Why diamond cutting is so important. The quality of the cut directly affects how a diamond reflects light. Even a high-quality diamond can look dull if it is poorly cut. A well-cut diamond maximizes sparkle, brightness, and overall beauty, making cutting one of the most important factors in diamond value. Conclusion. Seeing how diamonds are cut from rocks reveals an incredible transformation. What begins as an ordinary-looking stone becomes one of the most valuable and admired gemstones in the world. This process highlights the perfect balance between nature's creation and human craftsmanship.